Alright, start today's match. Ambazari versus Munu Singh. So early morning match. Yes, Munu Singh captain Avinash and Ambazari captain Mohan. Match is start. Match running. Munu Singh versus Ambazari. The first match. Yes. What a match. Munu Singh players and Ambazari players playing well. Service goes to Munu Singh player. 0-0 score. Ambazari 0, Munu Singh 0. What a match. Yes. Today's match, Munu Singh versus Ambazari. Right, 1-0. Munu Singh points 1. Ambazari 0. Munu Singh players and Ambazari players playing as well. Who is the effective player? Impact players. Yes. Right, service goes to Ambazari. Players 0-1 score. Score moves to 0-1. Ambazari 0. Manu Singh 1. Yes. This is first match. Morning match. Ambazari versus Manu Singh. Ambazari captain Avinash. Manu Singh captain Avinash. Ambazari captain Mohan. 0-1. Yes, match running. Players are playing well. It is a challenging game. Munu Singh versus Ambazari. Home ground Ambazari grounds. Match Ambazari versus Munu Singh. Avinash versus Mohan. Score moves to 0-1. What a play. What a play. Yes. What a game. This is morning match. Good match. Good players. Who is win? Yes. 0-1. Ambazari score 0. Manu Singh 1. Match is running. Continued. Players are playing well. Ambazari players. Very effective players. And Manu Singh players. Yes. What a playing players. Ambazari versus Manu Singh. Good game. Good match. What a match. Yes. 0-1. Right, 1-0. 1-0. Manu Singh points 1. Ambazari 0. Match continued. Yes. This is first match. Morning match. Ambazari versus Manu Singh. Ambazari captain Mohan. And Monu Singh's captains Avinash. What a taken. Right, service goes to Ambazari. Score was to 0-1. Ambazari 0. Monu Singh 1. Match running. What a match. The early morning match. Yes. Monu Singh players playing well. Ambazari players are well. 1-1. Service goes to Ambazari. Player Suresh. 1-1. Ambazari points 1. Monu Singh points 1. Match is running. Right, 1-1. Service goes to Monu Singh player. Yes. Good game, technique game. This is Daba volleyball from Ambazari. Home ground Ambazari. Right, 2-1. 2-1. Monu Singh 2 points. Ambazari 1 point. Match is running. Right, 3-1. Monu Singh points 3. And Ambazari 1 point. What a match. Morning match, first match. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. Ambazari's captains Mohan. Monu Singh captain Avinash. 4-1. Service goes to Monu Singh. Monu Singh points 4. Ambazari 1. Yes. What a shot. Right, 5-1. Monu Singh points 5. Ambazari 1. Match is good. Service goes to Monu Singh. What a playing players. Monu Singh players. Points go. 5 points. Ambazari 1 point. Match is running. Weather is very cool. Match is running. Ambazari's own ground. Ambazari versus Monu Singh match. What a match. Who is impact player? Yes. What a match. What a taken. Yes. This is a good match. Ambazari versus Monu Singh. Ambazari points 5. Ambazari points 1. Monu Singh points 5. Match is running. What a game. First match. What a game. Six-one. Service goes to Monu Singh. 6-1. Monu Singh points 6. Ambazari points 1. Yes. Players is playing well. Good playing. Monu Singh players are well playing. Who is win? 6-1. This is a morning match. First match. Monu Singh versus Ambazari. Yes. What a match. What a match. Oh, what a taken. Service goes to Ambazari 1-6. Ambasari player Suresh. Service goes to 1-6. Ambasari points 1. Monu Singh points 6. Right, 2-6. 2-6. Service goes to Ambasari. Ambasari points 2. Monu Singh points 6. Court change. Right, service goes to Monu Singh player 6-2. This is morning match, first match. Ambasari versus Monu Singh. Monu Singh captain Avinash. Service goes to Ambasari 2-6. 2-6. Ambasari points 2. Monu Singh points 6. Match is running. What a match. This is morning match, first match. Who is impact player? What a playing. What a match. Yes. Two teams players are playing well. Match is good. Weather is good. This is Ambasari home ground. Ambasari versus Monu Singh match. First match. Ambasari's captains Mohan. Monu Singh captains Avinash. Match is running.
क्रिकेट कमेटी पर नहीं